Today I am reviewing ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to high-performance gaming laptops in 2025, the ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop immediately stands out as a powerhouse built for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand the best performance in a portable package. From high-speed processing to cutting-edge graphics and a durable military-grade build, this laptop offers everything you need to game, create, and work seamlessly in one machine. At the core of this machine is the 14th Gen Intel Core i7-14650HX processor. With 16 cores, 24 threads, and a turbo boost of up to 5.2 GHz, this CPU handles demanding tasks effortlessly. Whether you are gaming, streaming, video editing, or running multiple applications at once, the ASUS TUF F16 ensures smooth, lag-free performance. Paired with 64GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop can handle heavy multitasking and resource-intensive applications without breaking a sweat. Even large software projects, rendering tasks, or simultaneous streaming and gameplay are executed fluidly, making it a powerhouse for creators and professionals alike. Graphics performance is equally impressive, thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB GDDR5 VRAM. This GPU is equipped with DLSS 4 AI acceleration and real-time ray tracing, delivering stunningly realistic visuals, higher frame rates, and smooth gameplay. Whether you are exploring expansive open worlds, engaging in fast-paced competitive games, or working on 3D modeling and rendering projects, the RTX 5060 provides the visual fidelity and performance you need. Combined with the 16-inch FHD Plus display with a 165Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA G-Sync, the laptop ensures buttery-smooth gameplay with reduced screen tearing and vibrant colors, providing a fully immersive gaming and content creation experience. Storage and memory are also impressive on this model. The laptop comes with a 1TB PCIe SSD, offering fast boot times, rapid game loading, and ample space for storing your most important files, applications, and creative projects. With 64GB of RAM and high-speed storage, you won't have to worry about lag or slowdowns, even when running multiple high-demand applications simultaneously. This combination of memory and storage makes the ASUS TUF F16 ideal for professional workloads and advanced gaming. Durability and design are another area where the ASUS TUF F16 shines. The laptop is built with military-grade toughness, meaning it can withstand accidental bumps, minor spills, and long hours of heavy use without compromising performance. At the same time, it maintains a sleek, modern design, making it portable and visually appealing. Gamers and professionals can carry this laptop anywhere, confident that it is built to endure real-world usage conditions. Connectivity options are extensive, including Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, and an Ethernet jack. This makes it easy to connect peripherals, external monitors, gaming accessories, and other devices for a complete and seamless workstation or gaming setup. The laptop also features a backlit keyboard with customizable RGB lighting, anti-ghosting technology, and a responsive touchpad, ensuring comfortable and precise control during gaming and work sessions. The high-resolution audio with Dolby Atmos support provides immersive sound for gaming, entertainment, and video calls. The ASUS TUF F16 also includes thoughtful extras like a 1080p webcam, facial recognition login, and efficient cooling solutions. The cooling system keeps the laptop temperature in check during long gaming or creative sessions, while the battery can last up to 10 hours depending on usage. This makes it possible to work, play, or stream on the go without constantly being tethered to a power outlet. In terms of versatility, the ASUS TUF F16 is not just a gaming laptop. Its powerful CPU, advanced GPU, and high-speed memory make it ideal for creators editing videos, rendering 3D content, or handling large-scale data. Its military-grade build, long battery life, and extensive connectivity make it a solid choice for professionals who need performance and portability in one package. Whether you are a gamer seeking high frame rates and smooth visuals, or a professional requiring a reliable and fast laptop, the ASUS TUF F16 delivers on all fronts. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is a perfect combination of power, performance, and durability. With its Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics, 64GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, and a 16-inch 165Hz FHD Plus display, this laptop is built to handle the most demanding games and creative projects. Its military-grade toughness, premium audio, advanced cooling, and extensive connectivity make it a versatile and reliable choice for anyone who wants top-tier performance. If you are looking for a laptop that can game, create, and perform at a professional level without compromise, the ASUS TUF F16 is one of the best investments you can make in 2025.